How to add or remove languages to Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, then tap on General, Management. And then in here, we go down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Next, tap on Google Voice Typing, tap on the left-hand side panel. Then in here, tap on Languages. Now go down the list here and select or add in the language that you want to add or remove. So here, tap on the checkbox and make sure it is selected. This will allow that particular language to be added to your Google Voice Typing. So you can see in the list here, now it has one additional language. And I can tap on that to make it as a primary language. And if I go to my keyboard, I can then use Google Voice Typing. Hello, bạn khỏe không? Hôm nay bạn đang làm gì? And if I try to speak in English, hello, how are you today? You can see it still works in both English and Vietnamese language. However, if I don't select that language, when I try to speak in that particular language, it will not recognize. And that's it. So that is how you can add the language to the list in here. If you want to remove it from this window, so here we can bring up Google Voice Typing and then tap on the settings icon. In here, tap on Languages. And to remove the language, you can go down the list and deselect the checkbox. So deselect the checkbox. This will allow you to remove the language and then tap on Save. And that's it. So now we can see there is no other language apart from English US. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.